This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the essentials. Adjust seat, mirrors, and wheel so controls are natural. Once done, set navigation and put your phone on Do Not Disturb. This removes temptation. Make sure you're hydrated and use the restroom. Small comforts reduce urgent distractions. Spend 3 to 5 minutes previewing the route and notes. That brief planning prevents mid-drive tasking. You'll feel calmer. And when signals or changes arise, you're prepared to focus on driving rather than scrambling. Once you're moving, control what competes for attention and why it matters. Use short, calm breaths every 10 to 15 minutes to reset focus. This lowers stress and sharpens perception. Keep cabin stimuli minimal. Low music volume or no music helps reduce cognitive load. Set climate between 20 and 22 degrees for comfort. Practice active scanning. Glance mirrors. Check speed and signs in 2 to 3 second cycles, so you catch hazards early and maintain steady attention on the drive. As you approach your destination, start winding down by reducing secondary tasks and planning a calm arrival. If you feel distracted or drowsy, pull over safely and take a 15 to 20-minute break or swap drivers. Addressing fatigue prevents errors. After parking, reflect quickly on what pulled your attention, phone alerts, hunger, poor route planning, and make one concrete change for next time, such as stricter Do Not Disturb rules. If distractions persist, troubleshoot tech settings before you drive again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.